Due to rapid growth, AdventureWorks needs to store and manage increasing volumes of data from different sources. The company must develop a comprehensive plan for data storage and management to handle its changing data needs. In this video, you'll learn about the role of data storage and management planning in the extract, transform, load, or ETL process, and for organizations in the short and long term. You'll also learn key considerations for effective data storage and management planning. Planning for data storage and management is involved throughout the ETL process. During the extract step, you need to consider what types of data you'll be collecting, how often, and from which sources, setting the foundation for data management. In the transform step, proper data management ensures the transformed data is consistent, accurate, and complete. Planning for data storage is also necessary, as the transformed data may need temporary storage before being loaded into its end destination. Finally, in the load step, planning for data storage and management, like considering database or data warehouse structure, facilitates efficient retrieval and analysis of stored data. In a broader context, planning for data storage and management impacts multiple aspects of an organization. Short-term data storage and management solutions address immediate data needs, facilitating quick access to up-to-date data and collaboration. For AdventureWorks, this is vital for daily operations, like responding to customer inquiries and processing transactions. Long-term storage and management planning caters to strategic goals and compliance requirements. For example, long-term storage solutions will enable AdventureWorks to analyze sales data, customer feedback, and market trends over time, informing decision-making and improvement strategies. When planning for data storage, key considerations include storage capacity, data access, scalability, security, and backup and disaster recovery. One of the first considerations is how much storage capacity you need. This depends on factors like organization size, data types, and average file size, required storage duration, and anticipated data volume growth. Accurate estimation can prevent the cost of over-provisioning and lower under-provisioning risks, like data loss and system performance issues. It's also important to consider how easily you and your team can access data when needed, whether for daily operations and collaboration or long-term trend analysis. Planning for accessibility may involve organizing file structure, implementing searchability and retrieval mechanisms, and providing remote access options. Another factor is the scalability of your storage solutions, or its ability to adapt to changes in data volume, technology, and data types. Planning for scalability helps ensure the storage infrastructure can support your organization's data needs as they change over time, without compromising performance, requiring major infrastructure changes, or incurring excessive costs. Next is security. Considering storage security is vital, as data breaches can have serious consequences like financial loss. Planning and implementing security measures, such as access controls and data encryption, help protect your data against unauthorized access, theft, or tampering, and emerging threats and vulnerabilities. Lastly, a comprehensive backup and disaster recovery plan is essential for minimizing the impact of data loss due to unexpected events, such as hardware failures or human error. This involves creating regular data backups on-site, off-site, or both. Implementing a recovery strategy that outlines how to restore data and resume operations, and regularly testing and updating the recovery plan. Now that you're familiar with data storage planning, let's focus on data management, which involves organizing, maintaining, and protecting data to ensure its quality, accuracy, and accessibility. Key aspects of data management planning include data governance, data quality, data integration, data security and privacy, and data retention and archiving. Data governance establishes policies and procedures for data collection, storage, access, and usage throughout your organization. This helps prevent data silos or isolated sets of data, ensures data accessibility, and promotes data quality and responsibility among team members. Data quality considerations ensure accurate, complete, up-to-date data relevant to business needs. You can implement processes for checking, cleaning, and enriching your data to maintain high-quality data. Data integration plays an important role in the combination and consolidation of data from multiple sources and formats into a unified view, facilitating data analysis and insights. Data security and privacy include planning measures such as access controls, activity monitoring, and compliance with data protection regulations. Implementing a data retention policy and archiving process to ensure data is retained for the appropriate time, based on factors like legal or business requirements, are important aspects of data management planning. In conclusion, data storage and management planning helps organizations develop comprehensive solutions to handle their current and future data needs, even during periods of expansion, as with AdventureWorks. By considering data storage factors like storage capacity and accessibility, alongside aspects of data management from data quality to retention, organizations can ensure efficient data storage, management, and use.